In this video, I want to show you how to share your phone screen by using Apowermirror soft on a personal computer and any things you want to do. So, let's see. Hi guys, welcome to Byte Zoom YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to share your phone screen on a personal computer by phone. So I am going to Google Chrome to download Apowermirror for PC. You can use browser or Google Chrome to download it. When it opens, I search Apowermirror. Select and open Apowermirror soft or screen mirroring app for PC and phone. Select Windows Edition and download. After downloading, open it for installation process. Then install it. Okay, it takes a time. We wait to complete installation. I close it and open from desktop. Now we go to phone to do setting. Go to your phone settings and scroll down and find about phone option and open it. Go to Software Information and find Build Number and click 8 times for activating developer option. Then go back to developer option. Find USB debugging and activate it. After this, go to Phone Play Store and install Apowermirror Cast Phone. I already installed it. I just open it. Then connect USB to your PC and phone, and allow access to your phone data. Then go to your PC and click USB connection. Then hit Run to connect your PC and phone. In your phone, click Start Now to connect. And finally, your phone connected to your PC. Okay guys, I hope to enjoy of watching this video. If you still like these videos, support me.